be something that needs a little fixing on Far Point Farms.
Oh, hey guys, it's Eric, Far Point Restorations. Check it out. Just wandering around the Tennessee flea market here, and this is beautifully fixed up. Looks like somebody just bought it. And then paint on this thing is just about flawless. If I can do this without getting run over. Sorry I have to be a little closer than I probably want to be, but the only way to walk is right in the middle of the road. Look at this. I mean, that paint is beautiful. New gaskets. Looks like the chrome's all either been polished or replaced. And the bumpers are a little rusty, but even the wheels have been polished. Got some new tires on there. Beautiful looking. Looks like a 72, maybe a 71. Got the original AM radio in there. Beautiful. Anyway, I thought I'd share it. Take care.